Dogs with the most unique nose prints have been revealed in a groundbreaking study that took just 24 hours to complete. Researchers have uncovered the fascinating diversity and individuality of each dog's nose print, showcasing how these intricate patterns can serve as a biometric marker for identification. Just like human fingerprints, a dog's nose print is entirely unique, offering a reliable way to identify our furry friends. This discovery opens up new possibilities for pet identification and security, providing a natural and non-invasive method to distinguish one dog from another. With this innovative approach, the study not only emphasizes the incredible variety found in nature but also paves the way for advancements in pet safety and identification technology.